Are you someone who has always been interested in investing in global company stocks but don't just know where to start from? Well, congratulations, because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually invest in big company stocks such as Amazon, Apple, whatever big company you can think of. So make sure to stay tuned. If you're new to my YouTube channel, you're hearing my voice for the very first time, or you're just seeing my face for the very first time, make sure to subscribe as I do upload highly informative content, some of which includes money content, business content, marketing content, artificial intelligence content that I'm sure you don't want to miss out. Alright guys, so now let's switch into my mobile device so I can show you guys how you can actually get started. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is to go to either your App Store or your Play Store, and then you want to search for Bamboo Investments. Okay, and then if it's an Android you're using, you also want to do the same thing on your Android device, and then you're going to set the app. As you can see, I already installed it, and then you basically want to download it if you don't have it yet, and then you want to open it. And now, like I said, because actually teaching you guys from the very first start, I'm going to create a new account from the very start. Okay, so just going to click on sign up, and then you want to click on build wealth. Okay, so now you want to select your country. So I'm just going to go for Nigeria, and then you want to insert your name. Okay, so I'm just going to go for Kidkes, and then Kensington, and then for your gender, I'm just going to go for male, and then your date of birth as well. So I'm just going to select a random date of birth. Okay, and then you just want to click on done, and then your country code. Okay, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm just going to insert my second mobile number for the sake of today's tutorial. Okay, and now the next thing is going to be your email address. Okay, so you just want to insert your email address. It's very important. Okay, and then after your email address, you're going to insert a password. You need to insert a very good password. Okay, very strong password. It's very important for your security. Okay, and now we have the referral code. It's actually optional if you had someone who referred you, although I'm actually showing you guys in today's video, but it all depends. It's not really compulsory. And then you just want to click on agree terms. Okay, and then next. And yes, very important, you can as well click on it to read their agreement. It's very important, but let's just leave that for now. So we're going to click on next, and now you'll be sent a verification code to your mobile number. Okay, so okay, checking mine right now. All right, and so you want to insert it. Okay, and then you want to click on next. So this is where you're going to insert your verification pin. Very important. Okay, it's a pin you're going to be using for your transactions. Okay, just like a normal bank account, and then you just want to confirm it. Okay, and you in. So transaction pin successfully created. So guys, now it's going to take us to the main page. So now this is where you want to activate, but we're going to come back to this. This is where you need to insert your BVN and all the important information. Okay, so we're just going to leave this for now. Okay, so I can show you guys how it looks like. So yeah guys, we're in the home page. So this is where you have, your stocks. You can see all the general items for the, investment app. And then in case you want to buy a stock, this is where you want to click on buy a stock. And now you can see we have Apple, Amazon, Disney, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, a lot of popular company stocks over here. So in case you're actually interested, which I believe you're interested for you to be watching this video, this is where you want to buy it directly. So you can see we have popular company names. And yeah, like I always do before I invest in any stock, I always look at the rate at which a lot of people are subscribing to these big company stocks. For example, Netflix, I know a lot of people will subscribe monthly, so I would always go for Netflix because I believe a lot of people are always subscribing, directly making it easier for me to gain a lot from my investment with them. And now if you look at the top over here, we have some other items over here. We have some people's portfolio, we have a real estate investments, trust funds over here, and many others. These are some portfolios of some people in case you know the popular names, and then you just want to see the type of stocks they invested with, and probably you don't know where to start from. You can as well look at their portfolio to get a better understanding or a better startup for your investment. Okay, And now, if we go outside, we can actually see where we have the top movers over here. Okay, these are actually the companies that are making big moves today. Okay, and now if you're interested in them, you can as well click on them and then read more about them. And now, if we scroll down more, you would see the future stocks. Okay, and then you also see recent news. Okay, it's very, very important to be reading this news, because from the news you know, okay, this company is actually making this big move, or this company is about to do this. Oh, there's high probability of them gaining, so this is a chance for me to actually invest, and then in a few months time I am sure to get this big returns. Okay, and now we have if we go back, we have the fixed returns over here. This is basically where you want to probably just want to invest with Bamboo, and then you get your fixed return after a certain period of time. Okay, so it all depends on you. You can as well go for stock only, or you can go for fixed returns only, or you can just go for both of them like I always do. Okay, and now if we go back beneath, we can see where we have learn. Okay, this is where you want to learn more about the investment. Like, I believe you guys watching it probably do not have an idea about this yet. You can as well come to learn over here to have a better insight about the investment. Okay, you can see how do I buy stocks, how secure is my Bamboo account, because I know a lot of people out there who are always new to things like this are always scared of the account details being secured. Is it actually secured or not? You want to know if the company you're about to invest with, or the medium you're about to invest through, is actually secured. So you can actually read about that over here. It's very, very important, and it's be like a very good guide for you. Okay, you can as well see glossary over here. We have stock market basics. You can learn a lot of things over here. We have beyond the basics as well. Okay, very, very important, and it's actually nice, and I would encourage you guys to actually read all this before you get started. And now if we go outside learn, where we have support over here. Okay, in case you actually need the support or help in a difficulty you're facing, and you don't just know what to do, you can as well contact them using this means. Okay, you can send them a message, or you can just call them or send them an email, whatever means you like to apply. Okay, and over here we have account. Okay, this is where you can actually invite a friend. Probably you want to share it out with someone, probably after some time or some period of time you've actually been gaining a lot from Bamboo investment, and you like to share with a friend, like I am actually doing right now with you guys. This is where you can get the link to actually share with them, and then you have write a review over here. Probably you like to write a nice review or an issue you're facing with the investment app. You can as well do that over here. And then we have KYC status, we have saved cards over here as well. So saved card is basically those cards you can actually add, so as to avoid you always having to add a card, fill in the details about the card before you can actually deposit funds. And now beneath over here we have the documents. Okay, this is where you get your account statement. Probably you need your account statement for July, or you need your account statement for May. You just want to see all the transactions you made. And then for your tax and also your trade confirmations, you can as well get the documents over here. And now if you're actually ready to activate your wallet, you basically just want to go to your accounts. Okay, and then you want to click on activate your wallet. All right, and now you want to insert your BVN. Like I said, they are well secured. Okay, and then you want to insert your BVN, and you'll be asked to insert your bank details as well. Okay, in case you are gonna receive your returns or your dividends, where do you want the money to go to? Okay, so you want to insert your bank details over here. And now if you're ready to buy a stock, you basically just want to click on buy a stock. Okay, and then immediately you click on buy a stock, you'll be taken to the stock page, and now you can select whichever stock you're interested in. Now let's go for Amazon for an example. If I click on Amazon, and then you can see we have details about Amazon stock, we have certain opinions, we have their financials, we have their news, and then we have a very nice feature over here, which is compare stock. Okay, in case you want to compare the stock with another stock, let's say you're contemplating between a stock and another stock. Let's say I am confused in selecting either Amazon or Apple for an example. I can just click on this compare stock, and then I would compare it with that of Apple. Okay, so I'm going to select Apple, and now I can see all the details. Okay, I can look at their open, I can can look at their 52 weeks high, and from this comparison I can decide on which stock I would like to go for. Okay, and then if I go back, and I can as well see other historical informations about the stock I'm interested in, and then I can also see the financials tab over here and also the news tab. Okay, it's very important for you to look at the financials and also to look at the news aspect of any stock you're interested in. The news is very important, so you can know what's actually going on with that particular company. Okay, and now, so yeah guys, that is basically all about this Bamboo investment app. It's very nice and well secured, and at the same time it's way beneficial because instead of you having to go to a company, which is not really possible for a lot of people, millions of people, it's not that easy for you to just approach a company and say, I want to invest with your country, I want to invest with your company and all those things. But with the use of this Bamboo investment app, it serves as an intermediate between you and these big companies, so you can easily just invest with them. Okay, it's that easy. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a lot from today's video and you haven't still subscribed, make sure to subscribe, as I am sure you've learned a lot from today's video, and I also believe you don't want to miss out on my upcoming informative videos. And I will see you guys in my next video.